best storage wallet of 2023. Guys, that's what I'm blessed with reviewing for you today. We're gonna get straight into this after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So let's roll the video. So guys, here it is. It's Tangem wallet, okay? It's at tangem.com. And the safest crypto wallet for everyone is what they claim. I do agree with them, all right? Tangem wallet lets you store your crypto assets secure and easy accessible while keeping private keys contained in your card. This is what it looks like, guys. You get a physical card with it as well. Really, really cool, all right? It's ultra secure backup. You can connect up to 3 cards to one wallet. You'll always have a way to use your wallet if your main card is lost, stolen, or even damaged, okay? There's thousands of currencies on it. If you want to browse them all, you sure can, all right? If you don't know what these cryptos are, you need to start doing your research into crypto. We've got some of the biggest ones on here, okay? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everything else. Now, guys, this isn't just for professional crypto traders. This is for everyone, okay? You can exchange your crypto here with any exchange. Look at Uniswap, OpenSea, Rarible, Compound, Zapper, Aave, Curve, 1inch, all the biggest ones, right? Exchanging, buying NFTs, making loans, deposits, in hundreds of different decentralized applications with the help of this wallet. Now, you can get it on App Store, Google Play, or download it on Android APK, okay? Scan this QR code right here if you want to. There's no wires or batteries, all right? Just download the app to your phone. Super easy. So what you're doing here is enjoying the benefits of a hot wallet with the security of a cold wallet. Now, there is a partnership side to this, okay? It's a reseller program. So if you own your own store or online shop, simple, fill out the reseller program brief form and they will reach out to you to discuss further. You can actually get the best price and deals in the market, personal account manager, marketing materials, and free delivery to and from the warehouse. If you're an affiliate or if you're looking to make a passive income, okay, you can promote the Tangem products through your audience and they will do the rest. Simply promote it, sell it, deliver it, and the revenue is shared with you. So there's plenty of ways that this can benefit you guys, all right? They're actually bringing crypto to the world together. More than 500,000 cards being produced and sold, satisfied by over 170 countries, and it doesn't stop here, okay? Doesn't matter where you buy this, cards are secure by design and nothing can be done to them before it reaches your customer. So Tangem app further ensures product security activation. Looking at a few of the frequently asked questions about this, is it reliable and safe? I'm telling you, this is so safe, okay? It's the most reliable one in the world. The chip in your card is a microcomputer, been certified by common criteria EAL6 plus level. It's the same used in passports, guys. So like my passport here, okay, this chip inside, it's the same as that. It's completely safe from dust, water, hacking attempts, and the card reliably performs in temperatures between 25 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius, okay? That's with the chip used for life beyond 25 years of service. So guys, it is super, super safe. You can use this on Google Play, Apple Pay, anything like that. There you go, guys. Hit that link down below to get involved right now. Do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you next time.